Post-inflation adjustment continues, and I sit here wondering sometimes how long until the real bottom. Will that just be when inflation is truly under control, or will 2026 be the year when we outstrip 3% nominal price growth for the first time in several years? Because it feels like 3% is about our number in terms of where inflation will be next year. And in fact, the decision makers panel are expecting 3.4% inflation on average in 2026. So their expectations are high, and they've been anchored to be high ultimately. What about policy impact? Well, Robert Gardner suggests that recent budget changes will have minimal immediate impact on the sales market. However, increased taxes on property income could dampen the supply of rental homes, potentially sustaining that upward pressure on rents, which are already at a historical high. Anyway, what about the outlook from Nationwide? Well, affordability expected to improve modestly. Income growth outpaces house price rises. If bank rate is lowered in coming quarters, borrowing costs might moderate further. And this, combined with household debt to income ratios being their lowest in 2 decades, is expected to support buyer demand moving forwards. Lowest in 2 decades. I've heard that before somewhere. If only someone had identified this first of all back in July 2023 and then had been talking about it for the last 2.5 years in a relatively easy to digest Sunday morning regular periodical free at the point of consumption. Oh yeah, they have been, because I have been. But well done, Robert, you've caught up now, and I've been using your own figures against you, amusingly enough, while I've done that.